na ano magunti ka nang nalubat ang cellphone isa kung i-charge diba te i-charge yung phone ko te niya yan po hindi kita na mention ate sorry ate ha what tricks are for kids don't take it what meaning te bungkiya te unsay pasabot ni te anong ibig sabihin te sa sinulat ni Sir brand te hindi ko wa ko kasabot te hindi ko naintindihan te anong ibig sabihin te kay di man Tagalog ang salita te oh yes sir will always pray sir positive always because my life is always you know if here in word in the word sir as a human my life is sad but if you speak happiness your life is go to Jesus Jesus I know how to explain I don't know how to explain but my friend I explain my friend is in the word my friends Sir Brand in the words I not to say I not to tell about the safety because the only one safety in the hands of Jesus the only one of safety in my life because in the word sir not safety in the word the only is safety the word the Lord Jesus Christ one of the safety. Thank you Bang Kayate. Yes sir. Te, salamat ate Bungkaya ate, salamat kay Alam mo te, Bungkaya ang watch hour ko te. Di ba ate 2,922 ate, galing po 2,997 te. Wala lang ako naka-live ng dalawang araw te, nagbaba ate. Te, tutulong ko sa inyo ate. Te, Bungkaya ate, patulong ko sa inyo sa aking watch hour te. Hindi pa, kaya ako maging muni ate. Wala pa ako na muni te. Sa aking watch hour te. Dito ako nahirapan te. Patuloy ko sa inyo te. Salamat ate. Ate Elma, salamat. Sino pa dito? Ma'am Margaret. Te, salamat. Salamat. Sir, unsa na? Let's clear the banana. Let's brother banana. Banana brother. Like this one.